A naked woman kneels at the edge of a clear pool beneath a sky alive with 8 radiant stars. One foot rests on land, one in water, as she pours 2 vessels, one into the pool, one onto the earth. The star is renewal after devastation, hope, healing, spiritual clarity, and the gentle return of faith following the tower's collapse. The woman is the central symbol. Her nudity signifies authenticity, innocence, and the shedding of all pretense. She kneels in complete openness, unguarded because she no longer fears vulnerability. After the tower has stripped away illusion, the star reveals what remains, the true self, unarmored and luminous. Her posture is calm, grounded, and present, an image of soul-level trust. The act of pouring from 2 jugs is the first supporting symbol. One stream replenishes the pool of consciousness, the other nourishes the dry earth of the material world. This dual pouring represents balance between inner and outer life, intuition and action, spiritual and mundane. The continuous streams symbolize renewal, nothing forced, nothing withheld, healing flows naturally. The second symbol is the sky filled with 8 stars. The central large star has 8 points, aligned with cosmic order, the compass of inner truth, and the soul's guiding light. The 7 smaller stars recall the 7 classical planets, suggesting celestial harmony restored. The sky shows that after chaos comes clarity, guidance, destiny, and illumination. The third supporting symbol is the woman's positioning, one foot in water and the other on land, echoing temperance, but in a gentler register. Here the stance shows integration achieved, emotional depth and practical life coexist without conflict. She bridges realms effortlessly, suggesting that healing comes from blending rather than dividing. The fourth symbol is the fertile landscape. Grass grows around her. The earth drinks the poured water, life begins again. The ibis, perched on a nearby tree in many decks, represents thoughtfulness, wisdom, and thought, the divine scribe, suggesting that insight returns with peace. The land itself is the psyche restored. The fifth symbol is the pool, clear, reflective, calm. It is the subconscious healed. No turbulence remains. The water receives without distortion. This marks the restoration of emotional clarity, intuition, and spiritual connection. Together, these symbols reveal the star as the archetype of hope renewed, healing begun, and serenity restored. She arrives after destruction, offering reassurance that the inner light cannot be extinguished. Where the tower strips, the star soothes, and where the tower shocks, the star restores. In readings, the star signifies hope, healing, inspiration, spiritual guidance, authenticity, and peace. It invites vulnerability, trust, and openness to grace. Its counsel: let yourself be restored, believe in your future, follow the inner light. Its shadow warns only of passivity or unrealistic idealism. The star teaches that after everything shattering, the soul remembers how to shine, and healing gathers quietly like starlight across the open sky.